DJI Precision Landing. It's all in how you take off. Got that coming up next. As you're aware, I recently did a video on the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 in precision landing in an open field to see if that would make any difference in terms of the capabilities of it to be able to precisely land. Well, one of the times it did not. It completely missed the landing mat. And I want to thank everybody for all the great comments that they left on the video. And several of you made mention of the fact that you have to let the drone get to its preset altitude to record the precision landing spot. So today what I did was we went ahead and did another test. Now we did a test both with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and we did a test with the Mavic 2 Pro to let them get to their preset altitudes after auto takeoff and then come back and return home to see if they precisely land. So let's go ahead and roll those clips. There's a total of 4 flights. Okay, today we are going to take both the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and the Mavic 2 Pro out to do some more testing with precision landing, but the emphasis this time is not so much on the landing, but on the takeoff and getting it to the point where it hovers about 30 feet over the landing pad for 3 to 4 seconds, as this is when the time that the picture that is taken for precision landing is used. So we're going to go ahead and get this started. We got the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 lined up first, so we're going to go ahead and get this going here. Okay, we have recording started. Okay, and we're going to do precision takeoff. Automatically sends to 19.6. Now we're going to let it go at 19.6. This is what the firmware states to do. So when it gets it's right around there right now. It's 19.4, which is fine. And let it sit here for a couple of seconds. Okay, so we made sure that it has taken its picture. Let's get it up to 100 feet, go out a few hundred feet over the lake, and then hit return to home. Very thankful for the very nice weather that we're having today. You know, we're at 120 feet, that's good. Let's go ahead, we're gonna go out several hundred feet over the lake. The color of that lake is very blue today. Okay, we're at about 500 feet. Let's go ahead and do a return to home. Not auto land, return to home.
Go home.
Now this video was in response to a number of comments that were made by my viewers and subscribers to make sure that it hovers for a few seconds at about 30 feet. Well, the instructions when it comes up on the app say it's at 19.6. So when it gets overhead, we're going to go ahead and change the gimbal. Okay, it's there right now. Let's pitch the gimbal down so we can take a look and see. It is locating, correcting the landing position. We're going to do this unaided here. It's correcting the landing position again. It's not windy today, so looking pretty good. Looking pretty good here. It should be right on here. And it is. It is right on there. That is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get it up here again. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to let it sit there for a few seconds, make sure it takes that picture, and then we're going to get it out. We're going to send it out in another direction over the lake just for something just a little bit different. We'll do auto takeoff here. Now again, it rises to 19.6 feet. And it's at 19.7 actually. I'm just going to let it sit here for a few seconds. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get it up to about 100, 120 feet. Okay, and we're going to take it over towards the other end of the lake this time. We're going to do a little bit of distance on this one. Just a picture perfect day out here. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's 800 feet right now, 120 feet high, 30 miles an hour. Just absolutely, I can't tell you how beautiful it is out here today. 1,200 feet, 30 miles an hour, 120 feet, 1,600 feet away from home, up on 1,800 feet, 1,900, 2,000. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop it right here. And now we're going to go ahead and execute return to home.
Go home.
And I'm going to try to duplicate these tests with the Mavic 2 Pro. We should be hearing the drone any second now. And we do. It's about 700 feet away. Closing fast. 400 feet. 300. And we definitely hear it. It will be, it's 100. It will be overhead in just a moment here. And it is overhead right now. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal. It's reorienting itself. It's correcting the landing position. So far, so good. Looking real good here, looking real good. Okay, so we were 2 for 2 on this, 100%. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stop this part of the recording, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick it back up with the Mavic 2 Pro. Okay, we're going to go ahead and duplicate the test that we did with the Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0 with the Mavic 2 Pro. We're going to do auto takeoff, and we're going to let it hover at its assigned altitude so it'll take the picture of the landing mat, and then we'll take it out to 100 feet and we'll try to duplicate the test as much as possible here. So let's go ahead and take off. Aircraft will rise to 3.9 feet and hover. Okay, so we're going to let it hover for a few seconds here. All right, let's get it up to We're gonna do another one here just for grins and giggles. I'm gonna stop it. Do it at about the same height, about 20 feet here. Just to make sure. Okay, now we're gonna get it up to 120 feet and then head out over the lake for a little bit. Trying to duplicate the first test. We're right around 120 feet. Let's get it out over the lake. Stream recording has started. Let's go ahead and get it out. It's around 140, which is fine. And right around 500 feet. I'm going to stop it there. Let's do a return to home. When we get overhead, we'll adjust the pitch of the gimbal. You can see I have two other cameras on this. I'm using my Osmo Action, so we'll definitely get the landing here. Definitely hear it. You can't see it. It's not overhead yet. 100 feet, 50 feet. There it is. It's overhead. So we'll adjust the pitch of the gimbal. It's correcting the landing position. So far, so good. It's looking good, looking good. Okay, we're going to be spot on. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do it again. We're going to take it over the other end of the lake like we did with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. So we'll do auto takeoff here. The aircraft will rise to 3.9 feet in hover. Just want to make sure everybody sees that. Apparently this is where the Mavic 2 series takes the picture from. Apparently where the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 takes it from is at 19.6 feet. But I'm still going to go up to 19.6 just for grins and giggles here. Okay, we're 19.7. We'll let it go for a second here. Okay. That's good enough. We'll get it up to about 120 feet here. Okay, we're there. We're at 120 feet. Could not ask for a nicer day. It's gorgeous seeing the reflection of the clouds off the lake. So let's go ahead and get this guy out. Go towards the other end of the lake. 30 miles an hour, 300 feet. feet, 1,000, 126 feet in altitude, 30 miles an hour. (1,500 feet, 31.2 miles per hour. Coming up on 2,000 feet, and we are right at the edge right there. Okay, we're going to stop this, and we're going to do a return to home.
Go home.
Again, singing the praises of the smart controller. I need one controller can control two drones. This is absolutely fantastic. Of course, the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a beta version, but I am definitely spoiled, and I can hardly wait till the till it comes out for everyone. 1,500 feet, 26.7 miles per hour. Really absolutely no wind to speak of today. This is the first day in several days we haven't really had wind, and I think a lot of the wind we had the past few days was after effects from Dorian. 700 feet. Should be able to start hearing the drone any second now. 400. 300. And hearing it now, 200 feet. And it is 100 feet, 2 feet. We're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal. We are overhead. We are right there. It's correcting the landing position. And I think we're looking good here. And it's coming in, and it's in for another spot-on landing. So we've completed 4 flights, 2 with the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 and 2 with the Mavic 2 Pro. Try to duplicate the flights, and also in terms of letting it hover and take that picture, because that's the most important part for precision landing. And all 4 landings were spot on. You can see all 4 flights were successful. They all did return to home and land precisely on the landing mat. Now, the altitude for the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, it's indicated on the screen, is 19.6 feet. So when it got to 19.6 feet, I let it pause for a few seconds. And then for the Mavic 2 Pro, it was at 3.2 feet. So again, I let it pause for a few seconds on 3.2 feet. Question of the day: what did you think of these tests? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.